Okay, children, open page number 19 in our textbook. Page number 19, there is a miscellaneous exercise. So, in this exercise, we will get the problems from all types which we have discussed in all exercises. In the exercise from 1 to 5th, we have discussed so many types. So, that all types problems will be in which one? In a miscellaneous exercise. So, in that, we will observe the first bit. Some problems I will explain, remaining you have to solve. So, first one. What is the first one? First bit. Write the number names of the following numerals. Write the number names. So, the first bit is number names for the numerals. First one. What is the first one? Is that 173,822. So once again we are saying that to write the number names, first we have to read this one. How we can read means ones are the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 1 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So 1 is in lakhs position, that's why 1 lakh. And 7 is in 10,000s position, 3 is in thousands position. So this is completely thousands. How many thousands? 73 thousands. And next 8 is in hundreds place. So 800. It is 22. So 1,73,822. That is the number. So write that one in number. It's 1 lakh. Okay. 73,000. 822. Okay, this is the number name for the given number. Similarly, another one is there. What is that? 304 and next 392. This is another number. What is the number name for this? First one, read it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 3 lakhs, thousands, only 4 is there. So 4,392. 3 lakhs, 4,392. That is the number. So write it. 3 lakhs, 4,392. 92. So like this, the first bit is writing the number names of the following. So write that like that. To write the number names, first identify the reading of this number. If you know the number, then you can able to write the number name simply. Right? So count like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Then lakhs means we will write the spellings. Okay. Now second bit. What is the second bit in this exercise? Write the place values of the colored digit. Place values. Place values of which digits? Colored digit. So if you observe the textbook, so the first problem is what? 14,385. So 8 is colored there. 8 is colored. So first to write the place values, what we have to do? Ones, tens. So 8 is in which place? Tens place. 8 tens are how much? 80. That is the place value. So what we can write? Place value of 8. Place value of 8 is equals to. What is the place value of 8? 8 is in tens place. So 8 tens are 80. Otherwise, how we can write means 8 is there. After 8, how many digits we have? Only one digit. So 8 we should write. One digit only there, so write 10. 8 is the place value of 8. Okay, simple. Similarly, next one more B. What is the problem B? 92,396. So here 3 is colored. 92,396. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 3 is in hundreds place. What is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is equals to 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. That's why 300. Otherwise, what I said? Observe this. 3. So 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So write 2 zeros. 300. That's it. Okay. Like this, we can write the place values of any digit wherever it is. It is in thousands place or lakhs place or any other place. Just after that digit, how many numbers are there? You should write that many zeros. You will get the place value, right? That is the second bit. And now the third bit from this exercise. What is the third bit from that exercise? Put the correct sign. Put the correct sign. Greater than or less than or equals to. Okay. Greater than. This is greater than. And less than, and it is what? Equals to. So these are the symbols we have to place correctly. First number 17,711, 17,711, 17,171. Which is greater and which symbol we have to write? Just observe here. To say which is greater and which is smaller, observe all the digits from starting. First one, 1 and 1, 2 are same. 7, 7, 2 are same. Okay, and this third one, 7, and here the third one is 1. Which is greater? 7 is greater. That's why this number is greater and this number is smaller. Each digit you have to observe. First digit 1, first digit 1, same. 7, 7, these are also same. Next third one, 7 and 1. These two are different. In this, 7 is greater. So this number is greater than this one. It is greater. So use greater than symbol. Okay. Next B. What is B? 83,295. Next 9,295. 83,295, 9,395. So which is greater? Which is greater means, here observe, it is how many, it is which number? It is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5-digit number it is. This number consists how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a 4-digit number. Okay, there is a number of digits different. Then which number has more digits? That is greater. Which number has more digits here? 5 digits is more. This number has more digits. So it is greater and this is lesser. So this is greater than that. That's why we use greater than symbol. Okay, like this we have to do. And now next one more problem D also we will discuss. What is D? 3,09,140. Next 3,90,140. Which symbol we should place? Again observe like this. First one is 3 here, first one is 3, both are same. Second one 0 and second one 9. So 9 is bigger here. Okay, that's why what we should do? 9 is bigger, this is greater number. So write like this. Towards the greater number, we need these two. Right? This is the miscellaneous exercise third bit. After writing third bit, next the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay. Arrange the numbers in which order? Ascending order. That is the fourth bit. Ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number we have to write. Ascending order means that one only, from smaller number to bigger number. First, what are the numbers given in this? What are the numbers given in? Observe here. First one, 1,20,435. This is first number. Second one, 1,02,435. Next, 1,20,534. Next, 1,20,543. Okay. In which order we should write? In ascending order. So ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number. Identify the smaller number in it. 1, 1, 1, 1. First same. Second one, 2, 0, 2, 2. So 0 is smaller in this. That's why this is very smaller number. First write this number. Okay, this is the first number. So it is completed. So leave this one. And in remaining three numbers, which is smaller again? 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. Three digits are same in all of them. Observe the fourth one. 4, 5 and 5. So which is smaller? 4 is smaller. That's why this is smaller number. What is that? 1,20,435. This number is also completed. Now in these two numbers, which is smaller? So we completed up to this. 5 and 5 it has. Now second one what? 3 and 4. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So this number is smaller. 1,20,534 and 1,20,543. So this is nothing but what? Ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller numbers to biggest number. We have completed that now. Like this, complete up to fourth bit in the exercise, in miscellaneous exercise. So why we are doing this means to repeat all the problems which we have discussed in the exercise. We are doing this. Okay. Remaining next sixth bit, not fifth bit, descending order. Okay, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, we'll discuss.